Thank you for tuning into my channel. I was in need of a gift wrap station and found one on Pinterest. Today I'll show you how I created my look. If you are interested in creating one yourself, I included the link in the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for future videos. Now let's get to the video. First step I made was pre-drilling the holes into the mirror frame. Please note that the instructions on Pinterest required hammering in the nails. I felt constant use of the gift station would loosen the nails over time, so I chose to screw my nails in. I drilled a total of 20 holes, 10 on each side, that will secure the tube straps and the wooden dowels at installation. Once completing the drilling, I flipped the mirror over to the back so I can install the picture hanging wire to the frame. I used painter's tape to tape off the mirror edges. And again, the instructions required using spray paint. I chose chalk paint because I've used it countless times in the past, and I've always been satisfied with its durability. After painting 2 coats, I added 1 coat of wax. If you are familiar with using chalk paint, then you know adding a coat of wax seals and protects all of your projects. The frame is hung up, and now I will finish installing the rest of the tube straps and the wooden dowels, as well as the gift wrapping rows. Here it is in full functioning mode. So once again, this project is complete. Once again, here is my gift wrapping station. I used chalk paint as well as painted a gold flower using a stencil to match my workbench. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Again, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And if you are interested in how I hacked this workbench from Harbor Freight, stay tuned. I will be posting that video pretty soon.